Well, hello, friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. Happy holidays to everyone that is watching this video. All right, everyone, so we have had a lovely silver and white series, so let's take a look down memory lane. On my last video, I showed you all how you can place together a beautiful table setting using thrift store and also Dollar Tree items. We really went back on memory lane when I pulled out this Dollar Tree charger that we did about 2 or 3 years ago. And I was just letting you all know, if you steam it really well, place a sash on top, it can make a huge statement by itself. And this is very inexpensive to do. Moving forward, we have came up with some great gift giving ideas and things you can use for your centerpieces, for weddings, or even for home decor. I want you all to remember that everything that we have done in the past videos is in our very last Tablescape. So know that you can still do it on a budget. This has been a beautiful and awesome journey with all of you. Blessings abundantly, my friends. And Lord willing, I will see you in the next one. Merry Christmas.